Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to turn off iPhone is too close iOS 17. Let's go. Many iPhone users have experienced this annoying pop-up when they hold their phone too close to their face. Thankfully, there is a simple solution to disable this feature. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. Now scroll down, and you'll see an option called Screen Distance. Tap on it, so this feature is beneficial for reducing eye strain with this warning. Users are notified when they hold the device too close to their face, reminding them to maintain a safe distance. By maintaining an appropriate distance between the eyes and the screen, users can reduce eye fatigue and minimize potential eye strain, and the risk of myopia in children. I recommend you leave this on, but if you really want to turn off that warning, simply toggle off the switch over here. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.